morning. Vlogmas day 4? Yeah, Vlogmas day 4. I was gonna wake up at 8 so I can start my day and work on the van and do all the things I need to do, edit all the vlogs that I need to edit. But whenever I woke up at 8, I was like, I'm gonna sleep till 8:30. So then I slept till 8:30. And then I was like, I'm gonna sleep until 8:45. And then I turned that alarm on and I woke up at 10:10. So the plan of waking up super early did not go well. I'm surprised that I slept in this much. I think it's because I'm about to enter a not so fun week for people with uteruses. You know what I'm saying? I'm not feeling it. Like, I'm feeling really tired. I also have a pimple, like, I feel a pimple like right around here. Like, it looks really red, so this lighting is really harsh. I might do a tiny bit of work on the van. I might not. I don't know what I'm doing today. Who knows? You'll find out soon enough. I made a smoothie, and it always looks gross because I put like greens powder in it, so it just looks really disgusting. But it's not. It's really good. I am not having it today. I don't even know what I'm doing for Vlogmas day 3 because I filmed a little bit. When around dinner time, I was just like, I don't feel like filming anything, and I didn't want to like pressure myself into performing something. And I also got anxious, so. But today I feel better. I am still wearing the same shirt. I don't know why you care so much. I think I'm gonna grocery shop today to get some nourishing foods for the week that I am about to embark upon, just because I want to make sure that I'm getting all the things that I need to eat, just to make sure that it is not as painful as it needs to be. Hopefully that goes well. I need to post a YouTube video. I need to write this down. Hold on, I'm going to forget all this. Okay, I got this. Fun fact about me, I'm a to-do list girly through and through because I can't function without one. What did I say first? Grocery shop, grocery list making, so I can research recipes that I want to eat that are good for me to eat based on my week of horror. Grocery shop, cook. I could do some cooking. Oh, it's out of order. I'm not gonna do that till later. Make gift. Post Vlogmas day 1, which I'm nervous about, but we're exposure therapy. Clean. I need to clean. My mom asked me if I can clean, and I was like, yes, that is how I pay my rent here. Spray paint in van. So I might do that. Oh my god, this is so much, but it's really not that much. It's later. I made a grocery list and I made my to-do list. So that, oh, I forgot. My family and I are also doing decorating the tree tonight and like a family festivity night. So I might not take you along for that, but family Christmas. Okay, first thing on the list, which is actually third to last on the list because I made it out of order, is to clean. Cue time lapse. Dad got mistletoe.
Teddy, sit. Kisses. Kisses. Thank you. Give you a treat.
Gentle. This is good. I'm on my way to Sprouts right now, and I got the grocery list. Yeah, I forgot that I will be seeing other humans out at the grocery store, and I did not put on my best attire, and I do not look my absolute prettiest. Will not be meeting my soulmate today at Sprouts. Hopefully not, because this is a bad first impression. Actually, no, this is a very accurate impression. This is what I look like a lot of the time. Clam juice. Boo. Okay, I already started unpacking before I started filming. This is everything, but got some handsome egg, oat milk, sweet potatoes, jam or jelly, some Sprouts, because I can't go to Sprouts and not get Sprouts. cream cheese, a lot of oranges, and then another orange, and then a lemon, and then other stuff, but it's already... Oh, also I got bread. You can't tell, but I'm making lunch. If you can hear my eggs, then you can't tell. Something I've been thinking about quite often is how difficult it is to have an odd job, the lack of structure that comes with it, and you have alternative hours. So for me, I'm a wedding videographer and a contract videographer, and I work mainly on weekends. It's this weird thing where it's just like it's a Thursday at 3 and I'm making lunch and haven't really done any work today. And it's difficult for me to, one, come up with my own hours because I do other things that are like hobbies that I'm hoping to like move more into making money from. It's like weird having just weekday freedom and then weekends are for work, because growing up it's just been like, oh, Monday through Friday, 9 to 5 with like school and just seeing other people work. But now that I'm like older and I don't have those hours, I feel like I'm never doing enough and I feel unproductive during the week whenever I'm not working, because a lot of my friends, either they're in college or they have like regular jobs, and then here I am a Thursday at 3 just making eggs. But I mean, that's my own thing that I'm working through. Ooh, these eggs are cooked perfectly. For those curious, it is cream cheese on 2 pieces of bread with everything bagel seasoning, some of the sprouts, and then eggs on top. It is probably one of my favorite meals ever. Hold for garage. So I'm in my garage and I'm going to spray paint Marty, the inside, and I gotta make sure that everything is sealed and also ventilated, because I am not about to like spray paint hotbox myself. I also changed. I got more like paint friendly, or basically things that I don't mind getting paint on. I've opened all the doors so that I don't fume myself. Cue spray painting montage. The spray paint bottle ran out. So I guess that is all that I'm gonna be doing today, because I do not feel like getting out to go to Lowe's. So since I ran out of spray paint, I decided to do a task that I've been meaning to do for a while, because I'm making my best friend Brinley a Christmas present. It's not that good. I just need to preface that. Like, I've told her, Brinley, this is like a really stupid present, but I just have this, I need to make this for her. I don't know why though, because basically it's a rock painted. This is the inspo pic from Pinterest. I don't know why. It's just been ingrained in my brain that I need to make this for her. And you know what? If it's a horrible gift and she hates it and it sucks, I think it'll be laughable. I think it'll be funny. Also, we never really get each other like big Christmas presents. So, oh. We're gonna do some arts and crafts now. Now I'm waiting for this to dry, and I was thinking about it. I think I started my last talk with that. For the next 2 weeks, I'm not working at all because of the holidays and because I am just recovering from my ankle injury and just giving myself a break, because my ankle has been hurt since July and I had been working constantly on it with weddings every single weekend or something that strained my ankle a lot. So I'm giving myself that break. But I realized Vlogmas is in the next 2 weeks, and this is just me like worried about other people's thoughts about me, which I mean, it's fine. Like I'm not terribly anxious about this, but it's like, oh, people are just gonna see me be at home doing really nothing. Okay, I am fortunate enough to be able to have this break, and I have a huge privilege with that. I just have so much shame about stuff. Oh my god, so annoying. I have shame about having shame. What the heck is that? What horrible loop am I stuck in? Compared to the shame that I used to have about everything, I'm doing pretty good. We are slowly but surely tearing down a shame. Basically, this is just me telling you that Vlogmas is gonna be pretty uneventful. Keep watching, please. I'm gonna paint Brinley's rock now. So the rock is gonna take a lot longer than I thought to dry. So we're gonna make some lentil stew. I also don't know how to clean lentils. I got this one because I feel like no one else would, and I wanted him to be bought. But now I'm peeling him and cooking him, so I feel kind of bad now. But this is his life purpose. Actually, I don't know if it is. Sorry, buddy. Oh my god. Ta-da! I think it's a really good gift. I might need to buy her like a gift card or something. This hurts. So the seal for this door is gone, and it's gonna rain tomorrow morning, so decided to seal it with this. Oh, I forgot, this camo, you can't even see it. Ha ha ha. Something that I started thinking about later when I started decorating the tree with my family and looking at Christmas lights and just all of our festivities that we do is how people in the world, a lot of people in the world actually, they're not able to celebrate the holiday that they celebrate this year because of what is going on in this world. And how people are being bombed and there's no water, there's no food, there's no safe spot for people. I'll put a link down below for a fundraising for the kids over there. You know, maybe this isn't the right time to bring it up in Vlogmas, but I'm like, it's my vlog. I'm gonna talk about what I want, and this has just been on my mind a lot recently. And this is not a high note to leave the vlog on, but sometimes in life there are no high notes, and I feel like in this situation, this is just, there's no way around it. The silence that I am experiencing right now and just the safety that I'm experiencing right now is so just taken for granted, but I know how fortunate I am because a lot of other people are not experiencing that tonight or in the past 60 plus days. I'm not sure what the number of days is now, but it's been going on for too long. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, besides watching this video, you feel loved and you feel safe and warm and happy, and I will see you tomorrow. Love you, bye-bye.